BMG is one of the UK's largest independent market research agencies. We provide a full range of market research services, which includes qualitative and quantitative, covering both private and public sectors for education, health, transport, finance, politics, etc. We're a multi-mode research agency offering CATI, CAPI, COWI, CASI, postal research methodologies. CATI makes up about 60 to 70% of the business. We have completed just over 55,000 telephone interviews in the last 3 months. BMG went through a huge revisit of their infrastructure on the system side of things. We were using ISDN lines, moving on to SIP trunks, virtualizing our actual servers. At that point, we were 70 to 80% on manual dialing. We also had a power dialer which was TCI based on ISDN lines. It barely was any use or different to manual dialing, and looking at the cost saving, it just didn't balance off, which made us go back out there and see what else we could do, search for a better product that could actually save some time. I think the dialer is one of the most key fundamental elements to ensure that productivity is high. We had a massive 20 to 30% boost in productivity in our first 6 months.
The nature of the work that we do is delivering market research surveys in a timely fashion and to the budget we've been set. The dialer helps us do that by telling us how long a person has been on a call for, if they're utilising their time properly. It has a function built in for answer phone detection.
FastAMD is the way forward, really, because of its 100% accuracy in detection. It's based on reading templates and generating templates in the background, which means that it is zero errors. It's cut down the cycle of contacts flowing coming back because of the false positives, increasing our talk time by a good 10%, I would say.
There's one feature of the dialer system which I particularly like, and it's the ability to listen into the call as it's happening. There's a coaching facility there as well, which means I can then speak to that interviewer and give them some guidance, support to move them on to the next call if they need it. So it's a little bit like being a spy, keeps them on their toes and gets things moving a lot quicker.
We have a ticketing system that we actually use in terms of logging a concern or an issue. Without fail, they have the fastest response time. I hope they keep that up.
I've previously used dialers in other call centres that I've managed in the past, and comparing the system that we currently use from INVADE with those dialers as well, it's much advanced in its technology and the ease of use.
INVADE are very similar to the way we operate. The culture there, the team, the friendliness and the whole vibe, and they sort of have the same motto as we have, sort of big enough to deliver, small enough to care. I feel like we all work together at all times.
The volume of work that we use in the call centre on a daily and monthly basis is in the tens of thousands, and I think without the dialer system we wouldn't be able to deliver those numbers. Certainly we would need a lot more staff to deliver those numbers and a lot more work involved from the management team.
I'd like to say a big thank you to INVADE for all the great efforts and skilled people they've got around who have smiles and always ready on the phone or on the ticket system to help us out.
Thank you very much, Zishan, for the kind words and for your kind hospitality here today. It's been really great to meet you.